Hey guys, so today we're talking about gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. And so this visual is what you can use to kind of remember it. So as you can see, the biggest one is gallons. And in 1 gallon, there are 4 quarts. And in 1 quart, there are 2 pints. And in 1 pint, there is 2 cups. Let's say I say, how many cups are in 1 gallon? So we got 1 gallon. Now let's figure out how many cups are inside there. We got 2 right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So there are 16 cups in 1 gallon. What if I asked how many pints are in 1 gallon? So you got 1 gallon here. And ask for how many pints. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pints. What if I ask how many cups are in a quart? So this is 1 quart, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cups. So using this visual will help you figure out how many is in each, which one's biggest. So basically, based on this visual, which one is the smallest? That would be your cups. Those are the smallest. Which one's the second smallest? That would be pints. Which one is the third smallest? That is quarts. And which one's the biggest? It's gallons. So just looking at this visual will help you. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what each of those look like. What a cup looks like, what a pint looks like, what a quart looks like, and what a gallon looks like. So you can know about what that looks like. So if you ever need to, someone says, hey, can you get me a cup of water, you know about how much that is. So, all right, first things first. So what I want to show you is my measuring cup. It's kind of hard to see the numbers, but up here at the top, it says cups. And right here is 1 cup, and up here is 2 cups. So I'm going to show you what 1 cup looks like, and we'll put it in our clear container so you can see as we build it. Alright, so I'm going to get some water from here. Alright, it's not quite at that 1 yet. So what I'm going to do to make sure that I don't go past it is I'm going to use this little until I get to the 1. It's not there yet, almost. A little bit more. Is it there yet? Let's see. Yes, it looks about 1 cup. So we're going to pour our 1 cup into our clear bowl. So if someone says, hey, can you give me a cup of water? This is a cup of water. There's 1 cup. Now, the next one is pint. How many cups are in 1 pint? 1 pint. So there's 1 pint, and there are 2 cups. Well, we just put 1 cup in there. So to make a pint, we just need to add 1 more cup. So we're going to fill it up to that 1 again. So we're almost there, and use our little thing right here to add some more. Alright, that looks about like 1 cup. So put the rest. So we're going to pour our 1 cup in there. So now we have 2 cups, and based on our chart, 2 cups is 1 pint. So if someone says, I need a pint of water, this is what a pint would look like. It's just 2 of those cups. Okay, now, what if someone says, I need a quart? Okay, well, a quart is 2 pints. So we already have 1 pint. So we need another pint. So that means we need 2 more cups. Well, if you look at our measuring cup, it has 1, 2 cups. So to make 1 pint, we just got to fill it all the way up to our 2 cups. So we already got 1 pint, so we just need to add our other pint. Let's add our other pint. Oh my goodness, did I just get that perfectly? Very close. Alright, so this is 2 cups, which is 1 pint, so we're adding it to our other pint. So now we have 2 pints in there. This is 2 pints. And 2 pints is the same as 1 quart. So let's say we want a gallon. Someone says, I need a gallon of water. That means we need 4 of these. So that means we need to add, to get 2 quarts, we need to add 4 more cups. So that means 2 of these. Let's add 2 more of these to get, okay, that's about good. Okay, we got 1, and we got 2. Alright, so this is 2 quarts. So then we need 2 more quarts to make the gallon. So you need 2 more of these. Nope, I need a little bit more. Nope, too much. Okay, so it's 1 more. 2. So now we have 3 quarts. So now we need to get a 4th quart to make a gallon. So we need 2 more of these to make the whole gallon. We're gonna need our little scooper because it's getting too little in there. So another pint. We need another pint to get our 4th quart. Okay, this is our last pint. Uh-oh, might go over. Nope, we didn't go over. Okay, so now we have 4 quarts. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts, which equals 1 gallon. So if someone says, I need a gallon of water, this is a gallon of water. So that's a lot of water. So that's just how it's made up. So if someone's saying, I'll give you a question. If someone asks you to fill up a bathtub, which one would you rather use to fill it up? Like, which one's gonna probably be the quickest to fill it up? Using cups, so just this little bit. Using pints, so 2 cups up here. Using quarts, it's basically 1, 2 of those, or doing this. If you had to fill up a whole bathtub, I think I would rather use gallons because that might be a little bit faster to fill up a bathtub. Let's say you need to fill up a mug. So let's say when you're making hot chocolate and your mom says, pour some water in there. If you need to make some hot chocolate, which measurement would probably be the best one for you to use? Would it be a big old gallon like this? Unless you're trying to make hot chocolate for your entire neighborhood, I don't think you'd want to use a gallon. A quart, well, a quart would probably be down here again, so I don't know if we would use that much. Think about if you had to pour into a mug, you would probably use a cup. So thinking about cups and then pints and then quarts and gallons will just help you understand, like, if someone says, I need this much water, you need to know what it is. Okay? Bye.